This is Blizzard, a white Bengal tiger that I photographed back in 2005. Having relationships with several zoos allowed me to get images the general public might not have been able to. I really liked the pose, but as he was in his indoor enclosure, it's very distracting, so I decided to cut him out, the whiskers being the hardest part. I then took down any colour in the fur, but isolated his eyes and nose, but turned the contrast up to give a dramatic effect. I was very flattered when my partner Michelle decided to draw from the image, first of all tracing the outline and contours. And then she started with the eyes, laying down colour for the nose, and then fur around the face and the ears, and slowly the whole body. Then she just added more and more layers, adding texture and detail. I think what she's achieved looks better than my photograph, and I'm very proud that she's produced this stunning piece of artwork. You can contact Michelle through Michelle Blackman Art on Facebook.